Hello, this is Nick for Wildwood FSX, and today we're going to take a look at the 2022 model 270 RTK. Let's take a look. We've got a standard outside kitchen, which consists of an LP griddle, your quick connect down below for your gas line, and then a 1.6 cubic foot outside refrigerator, along with some 110 outlets for all your gadgets as well. You've got 6 huge windows right on the campsite, which is great for a ton of daylight into the coach, as well as watching the action on your campsite. And then that's capped off with the 22-foot awning, the biggest awning we could use to give you plenty of outdoor space covered from either sun or rain. A standard feature on this model is the brand new patio system, which is easier than ever to stow away, set up, or get out of the way to load your gear. For climate control, you've got a 15,000 BTU air conditioner standard on this model, which keeps the extra tall ceilings cool throughout any climate. We've also got the extended power package standard on this model, which is a 190 watt solar panel, a 30 amp controller, all up to 2 batteries in the front tray. For 2022, we've got a brand new 2-in-1 microwave 3-burner cooktop combination. It gives you extra storage up above with more cabinets than ever before, along with 11 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator and a 15 gallon farmhouse style sink. Brand new for 2022 is the optional stow and load bunk and seating system. Highly requested from customer feedback was an easier way to stow everything away, along with sleeping extra people for those camping trips. Here we see the system in its seating setup. Here we see the system in its sleeping setup with quad bunks, along with a privacy curtain and a blackout patio curtain to keep the daylight out. And here we see the system in its garage mode, everything put away where you can still fit all your toys, including a Razor 1000 inside this trailer.